Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Walmart Plus for gas at Sam's Club. First, make sure your Walmart Plus membership is current and active. You will also need the Walmart app installed on your smartphone, ensuring you are signed into your account. Before heading to the pump, confirm that location services are enabled for the Walmart app. This is crucial for the system to recognize your presence at a Sam's Club fuel station. To activate your fuel savings, open the Walmart app and find the Walmart Plus section. Within your membership details, you should see options related to your benefits, including fuel discounts. While a separate linking process for Sam's Club is not always required, the app automatically recognizes your Walmart Plus status. Just ensure your benefit is clearly displayed as active and ready before you start your drive to the gas station. This step confirms everything is set up correctly. Once you arrive at a Sam's Club fuel station, pull up to an available pump. Open your Walmart app. It should automatically prompt you with a fuel option, detecting your location. Select this option, then choose your specific pump number from the list displayed on your phone screen. The app will then guide you through selecting your payment method and initiating the fueling process, ensuring your Walmart Plus discount is applied seamlessly. Remember to confirm the discount before starting to pump. Walmart Plus members consistently save 10 cents per gallon on gas at Sam's Club locations. This discount is applied automatically when you use the Walmart app for payment, so there is no need for manual coupons or codes. After your transaction, a digital receipt will be available in your app, clearly showing the total amount paid and the savings received. This transparency allows you to easily track how much you are saving on every fill-up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.